Boat. Oh, he's off. Well, good morning, everybody. It's Steve with the Outdoor Couple. I'm on Lake Berryessa. It's Friday the 29th, and today is pre-fish for tomorrow's tournament hosted by Native Watercraft. It's the No Limit Big Fish National event. There's about 40 lakes, I didn't count them, about 40 lakes that are going to be competing across the country. Every hour, a big bass, the big fish, the biggest fish will be awarded $1,000 plus gift prizes. And of course, there's no limit. So anything over 14 inches and up can be measured and your score could add. So if you catch 100 fish at 14, you're doing great, right? I'm not gonna fish where I normally do. I know where I'm going tomorrow morning. I'm gonna leave that area alone. Today I'm gonna wander up here down to the south and just kind of check things out. Just throw some lures, see what's going on up here. Who knows? I may have to run back over here. You never know. But tomorrow I plan to go north and all the way north basically and fish that all the way back. Weather conditions are excellent. Right now the water temperature is 67.5 degrees. The ambient temperature is somewhere, mid 60s to 70. It's supposed to be in the 70s today. A light wind coming up in the afternoon from the south. Tomorrow, much of the same except the temperatures will climb to about 84 degrees. The tournament starts tomorrow. We get the launch at 5:45. Rods in at 6 o'clock, and then rods out at 2 o'clock sharp, and then all your fish have to be uploaded to Tournament X by 3 o'clock. So this is my first tournament, first time I ever been on the water, fishing against these guys, or against these fish, I should say. And I'm kind of excited about it. I'm looking forward to giving it a shot. So wish me luck. Let's go catch some fish today and see what we can do. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you when we're out there. It's a keeper too. I gotta lip them because I didn't bring a net. Hello, buddy. And you took my worm too, huh? You gotta take my, oh no, there it is. It's up on my line. All right. That's a spawned out fish. You can see it's flat belly, but that's definitely a keeper right there. That fish, it's gotta be 16, maybe 17 inches long. There you go back here. So I'm on the board. Only had to get snagged a couple times and we're able to pull it off. Anyway, thank you, baby. It's always good to catch your first one, you know? There we go. Oh, he's chasing it. Chasing it. Okay. Little smallmouth. chasing that bait. Oh, it's a little largy, but it ain't 14. That's not gonna make it. It's all right. Swim off, buddy. I had planned to fish farther south, but I have never fished up Pope Creek, so I headed past the bridge to see what was going on up there. I had my plan set for Saturday's tournament, and I also had a pattern to fish, so why not do some exploring? There I go. There we go. Scrappy. Oh man, he's digging. He's digging. Yes, man, tough fish. Scrappy fish. Come up here, dude. Fat little largy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. He does not want to give it up. Okay. Ask me, Ogam, why I don't bring the net. Hi, buddy. All right, there's another legal fish. Nice little fish too. There you go, back here. Nice little bass, about 16 inches. Oh shit, there we go. Oh yeah. Good fish. He came up and swacked it. There, buddy. Not a big giant, but he's a keeper. There you go, another keeper. That's 3 so far. Oh. I was fishing a Senko wacky rig, and the snags were getting annoying. I broke off, and I decided to tie on an EWG hook and make that Senko weedless. I knew the worm wouldn't act the same as it did wacky rig, but I had to do something. I was getting snagged about every 4th or 5th cast. So I get everything all tied up, and this happens. Oh, don't go, don't go. Oh, no. Oh, no, man. That is no good. Out of my fucking hand. Come on. Get up here. Oh, fuck, fuck, fuck. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, fuck. Don't go. Oh, no. Oh no, man. It's no good. The only thing I had that might hook the rod or line was a 3/4 ounce jig. I fished for that rod for over an hour and it wasn't gonna happen. Berryessa has it now. If you are interested, the rod was a Dobbin 733 Champion XP and the reel was a Lew's Hyper Mag. But don't go looking for it. If you want to know what happens next, watch the video tagged in the end screen of this video. You'll be amazed. What a bummer that was, man. Jesus. Good God. Hi. So I came into Poop Creek, and Poopy Pope Creek, and I caught a few. Nothing giant, but all about 16 inches. And then I made a cast with my rod that flew out of my hand, and it sank. Yeah. I sat there for over an hour trying to snag it with everything I had. I ended up losing 2 lures, and shit, just trying to find that rod.
Was it the new one?
It was the one that I just had replaced, yeah. I know.
What did you do? It just slipped out of your hand?
Just slipped out of my hand. I wasted so much time with that rod. And I'm still sick about it, This lake has almost claimed 2 rods from me. Yeah, with the bass, remember the topwater? Anyway, that's the update. Working my way back out.
There's no other kayakers out there?
There was a bass boat, and that's it. That's the report. I'll talk to you later. Caught a fish up here earlier. I'll go back over there. See if I can't pull another out of there. Feels like fish. It is. Hooked up. Okay. Whoa. It's gone under the boat. Oh, he's off. That's all right. He just threw the Senko. Hi guys, pre-fish is over. I'm back at camp, and what a day it was. I mean, it was just a day of calamity after calamity. First, I got snagged a lot. I was fishing the Senko, and I was fishing it wacky rigged. Too many trees, too many branches, everything. I was just getting snagged all over the place. And then I changed it up to a EWG hook. Thought I'd make it weedless. About my third cast, the rod slipped out of my hand and landed in the water, and I just couldn't get to it. I was in a really awkward place. It kind of flew out the side and behind me. There was no way to get to it. I tried, and it sank, and I fished for it for an hour, maybe an hour and a half, and then the wind came up and I couldn't even stay on mark. I wasn't even sure I was in the right spot anymore. I could not hook it. So there is a 763 XP Champion Dobbins rod and a top end lose reel at the bottom of Lake Berryessa. It's only in 13 feet of water. It's in the Pope Creek area, about halfway down. It's in some trees. If you snag it, you got a good rod. I just had to let it go, man. I actually didn't feel like fishing after I lost it, but what are you gonna do, right? I did end up hooking about, I'm thinking 15 fish. I had at least 6 or 7 that were scoreable, all about 16 to 17. I might have had one 18-incher there. The last largemouth I caught was pretty good. I didn't measure anything today. I didn't even bring a net. I just figured, you know, if they shake off, they shake off, no big deal. It's pre-fish. Anyway, I'm not gonna go back to Pope Creek. I'm gonna head north tomorrow, where I typically fish. I hope the fish are there. If they're not, I'll blow back up to Pope and finish out the afternoon, but that's my plan for tomorrow. I do have a pattern that these fish are on. I do know what they want to eat. I'll share that with you tomorrow in that video when it's all over. Hopefully I have some big fish. This is the Native Watercraft no limit big fish tournament. Here comes a truck coming by, it's really loud. Anyway, I'll see you out on the water tomorrow morning, bright and early, and thanks for joining me. We'll see you tomorrow.